Hi everyone, my name's Tash from Heart and Design. Thanks so much for clicking through. If you are watching this on YouTube, please do like, follow, subscribe, especially to help my channel to grow. If not, I'm hoping that's because you've seen me on Patreon, and thank you so much for signing up. For anyone who's not on Patreon, it's a small fee and you have access to all of my downloadable tutorial sheets as well as the videos that go with it. So let's get started. This is just a drawing tutorial. I will be doing ways to colour and they'll be added as well later on. So you just need a pencil and an eraser and a sharpener. Let's get going. So we're going to start with number 1 and we're just going to draw that ripple in the sand. Okay, then we're going to come up. Now you can be quite big about this. It needs to be quite big. Now the line isn't quite straight on, but it is just off. But not too much. Now I'm doing sketch lines just to help me. It helps guide me and gives me the feel of the shape I am looking for, rather than just trying to do one line and get it right straight away. There we are, and coming down there. So now I've got the shape that I want. Now that's where the handle comes down and it comes around here. So at the end of the straight line, you want to be curving it so it looks like it's going round the back. Can you see that? Now, just as I was showing you, I made it look like it was at the front. And then there's a little round bit there at the front with the detail. Now, if you have the sheet, you'll be able to see this as you're going along. The video isn't all that clear. So the next picture, I am just going to finish off. You should do that first, but I'm just going to finish the bucket off because I am actually working on that one and I just would prefer to. So that makes it more square, gives it a square shape. And then here are where the turrets are for the castle, and then there's a round bit here. Okay, now we're going to draw the spade next to it. Okay, and we're going to come up. Draw the handle. There we are, and on the next page we're just making it a bit more 3D by giving it a shadow. Really, it's like you're drawing it again but behind it and that helps to make it look 3D. Okay, next we're going to draw this sandcastle. So I'm going to draw the outside edge there. So you've got to make sure the sandcastle is roughly the same size as your what's it called, bucket. Concentrating, it's difficult for me to remember words as well as when I'm concentrating. Right, so we've drawn the sandcastle. Quite like the way it's tucked behind our bucket. So the bucket is a bit smaller, so be wary of that. If anything, the bucket needs to be bigger because it's in the foreground. It should look bigger, but it's okay. It's just our drawing, isn't it? It's fine. Just remember for next time. So the good thing about these sheets is that you can print off as many as you like and try as many times as you like to perfect it, to get it how you want. It's a good idea to practice with art. And actually, very often I find I can draw the same picture so many times and it's different every time. So all I've done is I've copied the lines in from the picture to make it sandcastle shape. Now I'm going to put flag on the top because that really makes it look more sandcastle-y. Then we're going to just 3D the turrets and give them an edge like that. And the next picture is the sea and the sunshine. So in we go. There we are. And then we're going to put the sunshine in behind. Just do different lines of different lengths. Makes it interesting. Hope you like that. So that's the end of that one. As I said, there will be, you can add to this in any way you want and change it however you want. It's just a base picture to jump from to do your own things, and I will be showing you how to colour them in coloured pencils, possibly watercolours, maybe acrylics. I haven't decided yet, but one of them. I'll be showing you how to colour in one, and then you can just translate that to whatever medium you're using. Okay, so I'm going to pop that away. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a good day.